Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be walking you through all of the things that are usually intentionally skipped by other reviewers and the things they basically don't want you to know about proven by NutraVesta supplement. Watch till the end for complete insight. Proven by NutraVesta is a weight loss supplement made of natural ingredients that actively targets unhealthy weight gain and enables users to shed excess fat. The supplement does not work towards shedding fat overnight for aesthetic purposes. Instead, it works towards healthy and natural weight loss to diminish the health risks associated with obesity. Obesity is one of the most common issues faced by millions of people worldwide. People who suffer from obesity may also suffer from a heart attack or heart stroke if not controlled on time. Losing weight can be a hassle, especially if one doesn't know the root cause of their obesity. Weight gain is not always a result of overeating or lack of exercise, but sometimes it can be due to toxins and layering of fat in the body because of toxins. NutraVesta Proven stands out based on effectiveness. As per the official website, this supplement contains the purest and most natural ingredients, all bottled together after excessive research to ensure effective results. The supplement's ingredients boost the body's metabolism and help improve organ functionality, especially the liver, which is the most affected organ due to fat. The supplement contains pure ingredients, which makes it completely safe to consume. As mentioned by NutraVesta, there are no reported side effects of taking this supplement. After millions of people have struggled to lose weight for years, people wanted an easy way out. NutraVesta Proven may be the simplest, easiest, most natural, and healthy weight loss solution in the market at the moment. The dream of those who suffer from unnecessary weight gain has been answered in the form of an oral supplement. It's easy to propose that one should go to the gym and follow extensive diets to lose weight, but these weight loss solutions are effective for only a limited period. Going to the gym and following diets also require consistency and a lot of effort. Proven weight loss pills target the root cause of weight gain to work towards a long-term solution. The goal is not to shed fat overnight to look fit, but the goal of this supplement is to get fit naturally and to feel just as fit internally and externally. Health always comes first and should always be prioritized, which is why Proven supplement has made its place in the market as soon as it was introduced. Order your bottles today for a healthier and fitter life. The ingredients present in this natural supplement are a result of extensive research. Each ingredient is bought from pure organic sources and then tested in labs to ensure they are reactive. Some of the ingredients in Proven include vitamin C and vitamin E. Both vitamin C and vitamin E are used for skincare due to their numerous skin health benefits. The use of these vitamins leads to healthier, brighter, and glowing skin. Green tea extract. Green tea is known to boost metabolism and work as a detox drink. The properties of green tea extracts allow the body to flush out waste faster than usual. Green tea extracts also consist of a natural dose of caffeine that actively works as a mind and energy booster. Grape seeds. The imbalance of insulin levels present in the body can lead to excessive weight gain. Grape seeds are famous for their properties that balance the body's insulin levels, reducing weight gain. The ingredient also serves additional health benefits. Bioflavonoid. This active ingredient in Proven pills works well in balancing weight while improving health immunity amongst people. After all, a balanced weight is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Beta-glucan. The fantastic ingredient is a type of soluble fiber that originates from barley and oats. The ingredient is used to decrease hunger as it makes one feel full stomach. Arabinogalactin. The primary use of this ingredient is to reduce flu and cold-like symptoms, whereas it serves many additional health benefits as well. Additional benefits of Proven following are the benefits consumers may get from the regular use of NutraVesta Proven pills, attacks the root cause of weight gain to act as a long-term, healthy, and natural weight loss supplement. It comprises of all natural ingredients, reducing the risks of side effects. The supplement does not work as a laxative, which can be harmful to health. Instead, the supplement takes a healthy and natural weight loss approach. Comes at a highly reasonable cost and a 100% money-back guarantee. Price: $67 per bottle if you purchase a bundle of 3 bottles for $57 per bottle. If you purchase a bundle of 6 bottles, then you can get this $47 per bottle. The company also offers free shipping, making it even better value for money. I have enclosed the link in the description box. You can purchase it from the given link in the description box. Hurry, very limited stocks available. Just like any other supplement in the market, results you get from proven supplement vary from person to person. It all depends on how consistent you are in your efforts and in taking these pills. For this reason, NutraVesta is also offering a 100% money-back guarantee for the supplement. If consumers do not feel that the supplement is working as it claims to, they may avail a full refund within 60 days of your purchase. For order support and other queries, email at support@NutraVesta.com. Warning: this supplement is not for those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any serious underlying health issue. The supplement is also not recommended for anyone under the age of 18, the rest can conveniently benefit from this natural formula. To make your purchase, I have enclosed the link in the description box. Click to make your choice below, enter your payment details, and place the order now. You'll gain access to Proven, which will arrive at your doorstep in a matter of days. I have given an honest review of this supplement. If you have liked this video, do like, share and comment below, and do subscribe to our channel for the review updates.